Factorization is like undoing multiplication. If someone gives you brackets like open bracket x plus 2, close bracket, open bracket x plus 3, close bracket, you can multiply them to get x squared plus 5x plus 6. Factoring goes the other direction. We start with x squared plus 5x plus 6, and we try to rebuild the brackets. So here's the problem. Factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. The first thing to notice is that this expression has three parts: x squared plus 5x plus 6. That's called a trinomial. Since the first term is just x squared, we expect the answer to look like this: open bracket x plus something, close bracket, open bracket x plus something, close bracket. So really, we are hunting for two numbers. Now here's the key rule, and this is the part you want to remember. We need two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. Multiply to 6, add to 5. Those are our two targets. Why does this work? Let's look quickly at what happens when brackets expand. Suppose we have open bracket x plus a, close bracket, open bracket x plus b, close bracket. When we multiply, we get x squared plus ax plus bx plus ab. Then the middle terms combine, so ax plus bx becomes open parentheses a plus b, close parentheses, x. That gives us x squared plus open parentheses a plus b, close parentheses, x, plus ab. Now compare that with x squared plus 5x plus 6. The number multiplying to make 6 comes from AB. The numbers adding to make 5 come from A plus B. So the rule is not random, it comes directly from expansion. Now let's solve the puzzle. We need two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. Start by listing factor pairs of 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now test the sums. 1 plus 6 equals 7. That does not work. So even though 1 and 6 multiply correctly, they fail the adding test. Now try the next pair. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Perfect! That matches both rules. So the two numbers are 2 and 3. Now place them into the brackets. Open bracket x plus 2, close bracket, open bracket x plus 3, close bracket. That means x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals open bracket x plus 2, close bracket, open bracket x plus 3, close bracket. But we should always check. Take open bracket x plus 2, close bracket, open bracket x plus 3, and expand it. First, x times x equals x squared, then x times 3 equals 3x, then 2 times x equals 2x, finally 2 times 3 equals 6. So we get x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Combine the middle terms. 3x plus 2x equals 5x. That gives us x squared plus 5x plus 6. It matches exactly, so our factorization is correct. Now let's cover a common mistake. Some students see the 6 and immediately pick 1 and 6 because they multiply correctly, but factoring needs both conditions. The numbers must multiply to 6 and add to 5. One pair passed the multiplication test but failed the addition test. The pair 2 and 3 passed both. One more detail. Notice that all the signs are positive. The middle term is positive 5x and the constant term is positive 6. So both numbers are positive 2. So here's the full pattern you can reuse. To factor a trinomial like x squared plus 5x plus 6, find two numbers that multiply to the last number, make sure those same numbers add to the middle number, then put them into brackets. For this problem, the numbers were 2 and 3, so the final answer is open bracket x plus 2, close bracket, open bracket, x plus 3, close bracket.